going to be discussing how you can create a timer in Flutter. So to start with, let's go ahead and import the async library. Then we'll navigate down to our state and create a timer variable. Now inside of our state, we'll want to actually initialize our timer. So in order to do that, we will create a method called initTimer. We will call that in our initState method. So here we want to initialize our timer. So in this case, we want to create a periodic timer that will run at a specific duration. So we'll have it run every 16 milliseconds. And then inside of the method body here, we'll actually define what we want to happen. So in this case, just to test that it is working, we will print in this case, we're going to print the value of time elapsed in milliseconds. And then we're going to go ahead and update this variable. So we're just going to go ahead and cast this to a string, and then just set our time elapsed to 0 and go ahead and refresh and run. So now we'll actually be able to see the amount of time that is elapsed in our application through this timer.